On the Forest Department, Shri Narendra Modi introduced Mission Life to the world at 26th UN Climate Change Conference of the Parties in Glasgow. Mission Life is lifestyle for environment. It connects the powers of the people for the protection of the earth and teaches them to utilize it in a better way. Mission Life makes the fight against climate change democratic, in which everyone can contribute within their capacity. It inspires us to do all the things that we can done in our everyday life to protect the environment. It believes that the environment can be protected by making changes in our lifestyle. Mission Life is a global initiative by India to help the world in its fight against climate change and lead to a sustainable way of life to achieve the sustainable development goals set by the UN. The biggest threat that we are facing today is climate change. It's very dangerous. If we don't control our activities, then its consequences are deadly. So I request all the audience and J&K Forest Department to organize camps to plant trees and collect plastics. So I request you all to plant trees if you can. And I also want to say that the public of India, please don't do pollution. Save trees, save life. Thanks. Have a nice day.
ये रखो ये चुका था एक शख्स
ना पे थोड़ तुलन थे पे मन वारे थोड़
आप आज कसम लोगे ठीक है हां हां आप कुछ और पांच तुलो क्या करना है जो देना इधर एवरीवन प्लीज लेट्स प्लेज to make any possible changes in my daily lifestyle to protect the environment. I commit continuously remind my friends, family and others about the importance of environmental friendly habits. Thank you.
तो अभी पीना अगर है तो फिर उसको 10 मिनट फेंकना।
अच्छा आपको पता है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग क्या होती है? क्या होती है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग? इन होर्स है ये किसकी वजह से होती है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मीथेन, ठीक है, ये बहुत सारी गैसेस और गैसेस, ठीक है। अब ये ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस 20 गैसेस ये आगे क्यों इतनी एटमॉस्फेयर है?
जाहिद इंटरप्राइजेज ग्रुप से पाइए सस्ते दामों में अबैया, जलबाब, कफ्तान, खानसूट, वास्कर, टोपियां, इतर के अलावा दर्जियों का सामान हर वक्त दस्तयाब। जाहिद इंटरप्राइजेज का पता मैन मार्केट, दूसरी मंजिल, नजदीक बस स्टैंड कूल है। राबिता करें 7051269761।